Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So many of you messaging me asking me to create this one, so I thought I'd do it. This video is going to be showing you how to get free cosmetics in Gorilla Tag. This is going to get you every single cosmetic for free using a working Gorilla Tag code. So this is a simple code, guys, that you can enter in game in the computer, and it is going to unlock all the cosmetics. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and do this, make sure you like this video and then also hit the subscribe button, because yeah, I am going to create more tutorials in the future, so you're definitely going to want to check them out. So let's not waste any more time, guys. Let's show you how to get all the cosmetics for free in Gorilla Tag. So as you can see, guys, you need to use your mobile phone just to get your code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in your Meta Quest. So use your mobile internet and go to www.coldcoupons.com. So just type it like this, guys. Pretty easy. And Cold Coupons is basically a codes website. And like I said, guys, this is going to get you a Gorilla Tag code that you can redeem in game. So this is the easiest and fastest method to get free cosmetics. So use the search bar. That's going to save you time scrolling through the pages. So if you just type in Gorilla Tag, it should pop up here, guys. This is the codes page. There are 3 verified codes. So what you're going to want to do is just scroll down and look for the all cosmetics code. So this is going to get all cosmetics in Gorilla Tag for free. Like I said, simple code. And this entire process, I did this earlier and it took me about 5 to 10 minutes, which I think is worth it considering you are getting all the cosmetics. So yeah, just allocate 10 minutes of your time. So as you can see, it says your code is ready and you need to complete a verification for the code to be unlocked. So the reason they do this is because these are limited codes, guys, and considering they give you all the cosmetics for Gorilla Tag, these are pretty desirable. So you need to unlock your code here, and it only takes a few minutes to do this, guys. You just got to follow the instructions on this code unlocker. So you click that button and it's going to bring up this page, and it says complete 2 of the free offers below. So these are like applications and surveys to unlock your code. So your Gorilla Tag code will be revealed once you complete 2 of the tasks you see on this page. As I mentioned, they're all completely free and it does take about 5 minutes. You just need to make sure you follow the instructions. So this tells you basically how to complete the tasks. So yeah, they're really easy things like cache giraffe, install open, and then install a couple of apps. So you basically click on it and it'll take you to the App Store, where you basically grab this app and yeah, follow the instructions. So just complete 2 of those. Like I said, I did this earlier, so I'm going to skip forward. But once you do that, your coupon code, your Gorilla Tag, all the cosmetics code will be revealed here in this box. And you enter it in game, and that is going to get you all cosmetics for free. So that is how to get free cosmetics in Gorilla Tag, guys, working right now in 2026. Go to Cold Coupons and then just navigate your way down to the all cosmetics code on the Gorilla Tag page. So that is it. Like and subscribe, guys. Let me know if you need any help, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.